Hello everybody and welcome back to another tutorial of crocheting. In this tutorial we're going to see another edging, another border, and we're going to see the block stitch. In order to make this stitch we work on multiples of 4 plus 3. So 3 chains, and it's very simple. It's the first stitch we're going to make is repeated throughout the row until the end of the edging. So we skip 3 stitches. Into the fourth we make a double crochet. Then we're going to make 3 chains, and we're going to make 3 double crochets around the post here of the double crochet, of this double crochet. 1, 2, 2, and 3, and that's it. This is the block stitch. Now again we repeat the same stitch until the end of the edging. So I skip 3 chains. Into the fourth I make a double crochet, then 3 chains, and I'm going to make 3 double crochets, and I'm going to make 3 double crochet here around the post of this double crochet. Two and 3, and the second stitch is ready. Here it is. Again I'm going to skip 3 stitches. Into the next I'm going to make a double crochet, 3 chains, and again 3 double crochets around the post of the double crochet here. And again we repeat the stitch to finish the row. 3 chains to finish the edging, 3 chains, and make a slip stitch at the end, and that's the stitch, the block stitch. Thanks for being with me. Till next time, bye bye.